the score as well in a second. I'm gonna try to play a Blackburn Shilling here, basically. Let's play a Blackburn Shilling. Okay, castles here, so he ignores my gambit, but I'm gonna give him a gambit again. Let me refresh it. Let me reload the page. Let me make sure it's correct. Okay, let's go here. Okay, that's a blunder, unfortunately. I just taken castle here. Let's just take. I think I'll move my queen to f6. I have extra pieces here, so I don't mind trading queens down. Go rook g8, maybe bishop h3. Why is Magnus so clutch? Every time he looks close to being out, he pulls through. I mean, he just has a way. Champions have a way of finding. Is it smurfing against TOS? No, because it's authorized. It's an authorized speed run. But yeah, I mean, I'm just saying he's the world champion. You know, champions have a way in critical moments of pulling through. Music is not too loud, I don't think. Go here. I'll just trade the bishops here. Also, thank you so much to Tribeca Castle as well, who just donated, I believe, $2,500 to Care. Thank you so much to Tribeca Castle. Really appreciate it. Take with a knight. Play rook takes knight. King d7 and rook e5 here. I guess I'll just take or play rook e2 next move. Let's go here. I guess I'll go here to hit the pawn at f2. Just take. I guess b6 and a5 next move. Let's see if he knows the glitch. He does know en passant. I guess I just take, go back to a2 here. Or actually, let's just start pushing. Put the rook here. Yeah, I see MBL's AMA. No, I didn't. I might cover that a little bit later on. I don't know yet if I will, but I might cover it. Let's go here and trade. Yeah, let's keep going.